Happy Super Bowl Sunday, y'all. This is our little pickup, little mini spread. We always get this dip. So freaking good. We got a spinach dip this time. We got chicken. We got these Frenchies. Y'all know the Frenchies in Houston. Egg rolls. And then we have the pizza and some chips. So, and we got some drinks. This is what we got for today. Who y'all going for? Let me know who y'all went for down in the comments. Happy Wednesday, y'all. It is Wednesday, February 11th, I believe. And I had a package come last night from L'Oreal. So, y'all, this is the package. It come with like some high gloss shine serum. It come with some conditioner and some shampoo. And y'all know I tried their other one the last time. It was really good. But this is the one that I wanted, for real, for real. This is the one that I've been wanting to try right here, because I used to always see it and everything. So, yeah, I cannot wait to try this out. I might try it next week or so. So, yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. So, y'all, I finally am unboxing this 𝘽𝙪𝙨𝙨. I do like the bag, though, but I am finally unboxing this that they sent me like a couple of months ago. I just never really went and opened it up and everything. Don't mind my nails, y'all. I am doing my nails this week, of course, because it's Valentine's week. But this is what the box looks like. It's so cute. This is what it looks like. It got the 𝘽𝙪𝙨 at the top. It got the 𝘽𝙪𝙨 on the box. It got, you know, I'm a sucker for cute packaging. So, yeah, it says, consider this your official welcome to the 𝘽𝙪𝙨, the new fragrance, feminine fragrance from Miu Beauty. So, this is the note card. So, we're just going to unbox this, y'all. This is what it looked like. Oh, that's cute. That's cutesy. Ooh, and they sent your girl the big one, not the little one. And y'all, I have wore this for at least like 30 minutes now. And it smells really good. It does have like a powdery type tone. I don't know what that is. That could be some type of oil that they put in there. But it says it has like a strawberry in there, which I feel like I can smell, which is giving it more of like the youthful smell. Because overall, this is a very mature scent. Like, I feel like if you are a person that likes brown sugar and vanilla, you will love stuff like this. Why? Because this is very that girl when it comes to brown sugar and vanilla. Like, if you are one of them girls be like, I'm going to Bath and Body Works and I'm getting a vanilla scent, I love body, vanilla body scrubs, vanilla this and that, you will love this thing. You know what I'm saying? Because this is definitely one of them ones for the vanilla. I feel like it's vanilla, but it's not too much. It also does have like gardenia in it, like a milky gardenia in it, like a floral, and you can smell that. So I don't know. If y'all tried this, let me know. But I'm just now opening it, and I do love the way it smells. And I left it on for like 30 minutes of wear time before I gave y'all my review. Okay, so yeah, I do feel like once you spray it, it smells more of like a fresh type scent. But then once you let it sit in, it's kind of like give more of a mature scent, but it still has like them florals and things inside. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, thank you, 𝘽𝙪𝙨, for sending your girl this. It smells so freaking good. It does say that it has the gardenia in it, for sure, for sure. And you can definitely smell it in there, for sure, for sure. It's like a floral brown sugar scent. I love it. I love it. So y'all, I'm having me a light snack. Do y'all like grapefruits? Grapefruits are so good, especially for like your immune system and the heart. Hey y'all, happy Friday the 13th, and guess who's playing Jason? Nah, but getting ready because we're about to go run a few errands. It's supposed to be like flood and rain this weekend, which sucks for Valentine's, but we're gonna do something in the house. I'm just putting the little curls up in my head because I'm just wearing this hat, y'all. This hat been saving your girl life because I ain't been in the mood to do my hair. Honestly, I just been slapping hats on and scarves, but I am gonna be doing my hair. I don't know, but I can feel my, you know when that birthday coming and you just start getting in that mood. Yeah, that's how your girl doing. She getting in that mood. I've been active though on my other platforms. I know y'all probably like, why this girl haven't uploaded? Where's she at? I've been on them other platforms because it's like faster to get to it, and then, you know, YouTube, I like to take my time with edits and stuff. And I like to just take all day to edit sometimes. But no, I am going to be pushing them vlogs out and stuff. This weekend is going to be like a pretty chill weekend. So I'll probably sneak some time in to edit so that y'all can have a vlog Sunday or something. I don't know, y'all. I don't even want to make no promises. Because my weekends be going like, okay, I ain't got no plans, then boom, all of a sudden your girl got these plans, you know. And I don't vlog all my life. So it's like, y'all probably be like, where this girl at? What's she doing? That's what I be doing. I be doing other stuff too, y'all, outside of what I can vlog. Plus, I don't just always be wanting to put no camera in every event of my life. So, yeah. But I was going to do my makeup today. I was going to put this Armani skin tint on. This is so good. But, y'all, when I first got this, it was more of, I was kind of like a little bit darker. And I could still work with it, but yeah, I'm gonna have to use that when it's like spring, summer, definitely summer, because I tried to use that today. It made me just look so dark. And I just said, yeah, let me go ahead and do my skincare again. So I had did 2 skincares today, and that's what your girl is doing today. I just said, yeah, I'm gonna just do that because I ain't got time, okay? I'm waiting on babes to get back so then we can go. He has to go run a couple of errands, and then we gonna go run errands as a, bless you, then we gonna run errands as a family or whatever. But yeah, I'm just doing like some little flip out curls. They probably gonna drop because I ain't gonna probably, I could put some setting, I was about to say setting spray. I could put like some, what you call it, spritz or something on there for them to last longer. But it ain't even all that deep, you know what I mean? It ain't that deep. We just doing a little something, little something. I want some Danish. I cannot eat chocolate, like I'm allergic, so I can't really do no chocolate, y'all. That's sad. Like, I used to eat chocolate so much, and then all of a sudden, last year around this time is when I found out that I was allergic to chocolate. So, your girl won't be doing chocolate this year. I don't need that no way. But your girl won't be doing chocolate this year for Valentine's Day. I used to always have chocolate for Valentine's Day, but not this year. My kids could, but not me. And then it's like chocolate and soy and of course coconut. So a lot of that stuff I cannot have. And then the percentage matters when it comes to like what I'm allergic to. The percentage matters because some people be like, oh, coconut is inside of this and coconut is inside of that. It's the percentage of how much they're using in there that makes an effect. But I try to avoid it altogether. But yeah, y'all. See y'all. My babies just got here. So I'm going in with this 𝘽𝑃 today. This smells really good. I think I already told y'all that the other day. But you can smell a strawberry in this. Like, you can smell the strawberry in this. And you also can smell the vanilla. And I just feel like they go really good together. So if that's your gag, I would definitely recommend. Y'all, everything is so freaking cute. I love Valentine's Day. It's like another birthday for the ladies. I don't know if that bear is for sale, but I need that bear. Look at all the husbands over here getting that girl something. I know that's right. I really like those. You see that? Lamb, salmon. I'm thinking about making pasta. I got some spinach for the pasta. Yes, yeah. So y'all, we are currently in Walmart getting a couple of things, and of course my heater, because I need my heater, and my other one just kind of went out or broke or something. I don't know what happened, but I always need my heater, so that's one thing we're getting.
These your favorite, right?
Are those $6 too? Yes. All of them? Okay.
What's hungry, babe?
I'm not getting no kind. So we're at the grass house.
612. $18.
Thank you. So y'all, we done made it back home and everything. I done did my makeup. Get into some Valentine's things. I think I might take pictures today, so make sure y'all, you know, support your girl. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Go to my other platforms mainly. Like, if y'all want to see, like, my outfit and stuff, if I do it. I did do my nails. I just did, like, just some like these. So they kind of like French tips, but they like the line, the V-shaped tips. So I did that. I did me a little side part today. I need to go back and touch it up a little bit. But this is the look. So we got us a spicy Southwest chicken salad. Y'all, these are so freaking good. I don't know what be in these kind of salads, but they so good. I got this one from Chick-fil-A though. Y'all, so this is our dinner. Me and Baze cooked together. Lamb chops, pasta, salmon. The kids' place too, but you know, we gotta get the aesthetics with our plates. But they got the same thing or whatever. And then I got like a glass of wine. But happy Valentine's. We had to order a heater off of Amazon. And it came today. And y'all, today is February 18th. It come with like a remote too. I don't know what brand it is. And then it can like turn, you know what I'm saying? A little fancy. Oh, this is the brand. This is the brand right here, y'all. But I am so happy, y'all, because your girl cannot survive without her little mini heater, like a little room space heater I need. I really freaking love this one. This one is neat. It's smaller. I think it's smaller. No, it could be the same size. Don't mind my rug in the back. I actually cracked my blush from a video that I will be uploading soon. And it cracked or whatever. And it cracked on my rug. So that rug has to get like deep cleaned or whatever. But literally just came. Your girl had to unbox and see what it's all about. It comes with like different little settings. You can like go low. It's like on high 1. Then it has like high 2. And it has high 3. So I think it's only like 3 settings or whatever. And then you can do the degrees of how much you want it to be. So yeah, that's that. And this one kind of blowing off a little cold air a little bit, but
it can probably do cold air.
It can, because it literally just show the fan right here. You can do the fan and everything. It's like the other ones, but I'm gonna turn it up because I like it to be up.
It always means it's the winner, so
this is the one I had or whatever. And y'all remember on my other vlog, maybe like 2024 when I got this one. This is the one I had, and I would just use this one. And I don't know, that mother just started like showing like a light inside of there, and I didn't know why, because I'm like, it ain't normally have no light. It would just be a light up here. So we got this one off of there, and I actually like this one better. I think this one costs more, but I actually like this one better. Now that I have this, I like to have the white one because a lot of things in my room was white. But I do like that I have this one. Y'all, it also has like this timer thing over here. Y'all probably like, look at her doing this unboxing of this heater. But no, it has like a timer on here for how long you want to put it on. It can go up to like 12 hours, but I don't ever need it like that, baby. I only put it on for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Y'all, I'm about to get ready to go to bed, but I did make some shots again. I made some grapefruit ones this time. Well, I kind of mixed grapefruit and lemon. So these are grapefruit and lemon. And then I did make the lemon by itself, of course. But it's mainly grapefruit, but it is a little bit of lemon in there because I did it all in the same like bowl. Y'all probably hear all these noises. That's my dishwasher or whatever. But I'm thinking about taking one tonight. Well, I'm talking about thinking, but I am gonna take one tonight. Y'all, this is my brunch. Okay, we got fish, catfish, and we got some grits. These are like the butter grits. So good. Got me in a chokehold, okay? Probably why your girl got a little weight. But they are so freaking good, though. This is my brunch. Today's Friday. It is Friday the 20th. February 20th. But yeah, y'all. So good. I can't wait. Y'all hear that? Let me get close. Y'all can hear it, okay? You can hear the crunch that's gonna be in that, okay? But yeah, y'all. That's all I wanted to show y'all.